welcome back to my channel. It's me, Catherine, and today's video I am back with a small beauty haul. So if you guys are interested in seeing a few things that I picked up from Walmart and also the beauty supply store, then of course continue watching this video. First store that I went to was Walmart, and I was actually supposed to be going to find like an ugly sweater so I can wear it to work on Monday, but I couldn't find any, so I ended up over in the beauty section and I picked up the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. I actually have purchased this primer before. I purchased this probably over 3-4 years ago, and I just did not go back to repurchase, and I'm not exactly sure why, but I actually really love this primer because, as you guys hear me say in a lot of my videos, I have very oily skin, and I can honestly say this primer is the best primer that I have come across. Honestly, I've purchased a lot of primers before and I don't feel like they do anything for me. Honestly, I was just always told you should put on primer before your makeup, so that's why I do it. But when it comes to this Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, I actually feel like it does the job. It does keep me matte, or if not matte, it keeps me like okay and not so oily. So I really do like this. So this is the first thing that I picked up from Walmart, and like I said, this is a really good primer, and I'm pretty sure anyone that has used this will tell you the same exact thing. So the second thing that I picked up was the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. And y'all, I know I am super late with this foundation because this came out, I don't know how long ago, but I haven't tried it just yet. So I decided to pick up this foundation because I did hear really good things about it, and it was time for me to purchase new foundation anyway. So I picked up the shade 515, and I think this is a perfect match because in the Maybelline Fit Me, I am in a 355, and I believe these colors are probably the same exact. So I picked up the shade 515, and I cannot wait to try this out. Like I said, I have heard really good things about this foundation, so I am just now picking up this foundation. So another item that I picked up that I'm super late in trying out is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I picked this up in the shade Deep Olive, and I've heard a lot of good things about this e.l.f. concealer as well. And I heard that it is like a matte concealer, and being that I am oily, I cannot wait to try this out. And I love how the applicator looks pretty big, and also the packaging kind of remind me of like the NARS as well as the matte concealer packaging. So yeah, I cannot wait to try this out. Like I said, I know I am super late, so please don't talk about me, but let me know if y'all have tried any of these as well and tell me how you like them. But yeah, I cannot wait to try these out, and so hopefully in like a few days I will do like a makeup look using all of these like first impressions. So yeah, can't wait to try this out. The next thing I picked up from Walmart is this body fragrance. This is by Luxe Perfumery. This is their Pure Vita Vanilla Rose fragrance, and this smells so good. And this was only like $5 and some change, and it smells so good. It reminds me of like the body mist from Victoria's Secret, and it smells really good. Now, I'm not exactly sure how long the scent is going to last like on me, but it's just something that I can throw in my purse because I have like a perfume that I use every day, which is like, I believe it's the Dolce & Gabbana, but I don't take it to work with me. So this is one that I can just throw in my bag to spray on me if I feel like I need like an extra scent, you know. I could just carry this body mist, and like I said, it smells really good. So for $5, I could not pass it up. And like I said, it reminds me of like a Victoria's Secret spray. So last but not least, what I picked up from Walmart is this Kiss Salon Home like nail kit. It comes with the acrylic liquid as well as the acrylic powder. So I picked this up because I was watching Kinemaster video here on YouTube. If you guys have not checked out her channel, you should, because her videos are the bomb. But she was doing like a DIY do-it-yourself nail video, and if y'all don't know, I do a lot of those videos here on my channel. But she was using the acrylic stuff to keep the nails on longer, which I never thought about doing that. So I cannot wait to try that out because she said it does make the nails last longer. So yeah, I cannot wait to try this out. Okay, guys, so those were all of the items that I picked up from Walmart. So the next store I went into was the beauty supply store. And the reason why I went into the beauty supply store is because I'm going to get braiding hair, and this is the style that I did with the braiding hair. So if you guys did not watch that video, I will leave it linked probably in the cards or down in the description box. So obviously I picked up some hair to create these braids. I picked up 2 packs of the Expressions 3X pre-stretch hair. That was the first thing I picked up. So the next thing I picked up from the beauty supply store was this Hot Beauty blow dryer for only $10. I actually broke, well, I didn't break it, but my blow dryer that I used to have just went out because I had it for so long, and I never went back to purchase a new one. So whenever I wash my hair, I always just let it air dry. But yesterday I decided to go ahead and pick up just this super cheap blow dryer. I feel like for $10 it's going to do its job. I mean, it's only a blow dryer, so it comes with the comb. And yeah, so I picked this up, and I actually did use this on yesterday before I did my hair, and I really do like it, especially for the price. So yeah, this is the second thing that I picked up from the beauty supply store. The next thing I picked up was this foam, and I used this for my braids as well once I got done. So I picked this up. I also picked up 2 pair of lashes by the brand called Black Pink, which is like a new brand at the beauty supply store. So these are the 3D faux mink lashes, and they were only $2.99 each. So the first style I picked up was this style Jacqueline, which I thought these were super cute. And the last style that I picked up was in Elsa. And y'all, now that I'm getting more into lashes, I feel like I am more of the dramatic lash type of girl. So that's why I picked these 2 styles up. And like I said, they were only $2.99, and I cannot wait to try these out. Last but not least, I picked up the LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. I have purchased this so many times, and it's just one that I really like to pick up from the beauty supply store. And it was only $4.99. So guys, those were all of the items that I picked up from Walmart and the beauty supply store. This wasn't like a big haul, but I want to share with you guys anyway. If you guys enjoyed this, of course, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.